Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming essentials: your phone, the Google account tied to Google Pay, and your current sign-in method. Open the Google Pay app and tap your profile icon at the top right. This takes you into account settings. Once done, choose Security or Personal Info. Make sure you're on a secure network. If you cannot sign in, use Forgot Password to trigger account recovery so you can reset safely. That begins the verification steps. You now verify your identity, because Google Pay requires proof before changing sensitive info. If two-step verification is on, use your Authenticator app, SMS code, or backup codes. This prevents unauthorized changes. Next, follow prompts to validate via email or phone, or insert a security key if you have one. Once authenticated, go to Security and find Password. The app may ask you to re-enter the current password to proceed, which protects your payment instruments and saved cards. You're ready to set the new password. Choose at least 12 characters with upper and lower case, numbers, and symbols, and do not reuse passwords from other sites. Enter it twice, save changes, and then sign back into any linked devices or apps so payments continue to work. If something goes wrong, clear the app cache, try changing the password at Pay. Com from a browser, or run Google's account recovery. These steps usually resolve verification or sync errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.